What's up? You checking out the freaking Flyer, and I'm back again with this 200 GT from LDARC with these 4-inch props on it. And this time I have the 1050 milliamp hour pack here, 4S. And so we're gonna test it and see if these motors get hot. I'm gonna try to do some hard flying out here in the open field behind me here. And I guess we're gonna test the flight time too with this, a pack this size here. Again, this is 1050 milliamp hour 4S. It's a tattoo pack. And what's the C rating on this thing? 45C, so not a high C rating. But anyway, let's get it. Take off, line of sight with it first. Wait a second. Let's look at a punch out with it. Full speed pass. Bring it back. I'm back in angle mode here. Check it out. Still real level. Okay, let's bring it back and do some FPV with it. I think this grass is short enough for me to take off in. Hopefully. And I'm getting some vibration. I don't know if that's the camera or not. Something being loose. Only on punch outs. Well, actually, I'm just, yeah, there's a lot of oscillation. Probably just need to be tuned. Bugs on me. Camera's not exactly the best camera. Oops. There's a bug on my neck. Sheesh. Sheesh, I'm getting eaten alive by these bugs out here. Darn it. Now, I don't know about the way you set these gates up, Jay. Sound like you smacked something. We're at 3.5 volts per cell. Well, I think that was it. Oh yeah, when diving and all, and moving fast, there's a lot of shaking going on with it. Sheesh, something was right on my neck. Okay, I think it's serious this time. We're at 3.4 volts. Stop the video. Sheesh. I got that mosquito that was biting me. So that's it. Another quick test of this 200 GT with a 4-inch prop on it. Seems to run nice, but I think I need to do some tuning, get the oscillations out of it when diving and moving fast. During punch outs and all, it's getting some vibration coming in through the camera. And I think that's just something that can be tuned out. I think it's pretty awesome with 4-inch props. Let's check the motors. Motors are barely even warm at all. Might be the way to go. Thanks for watching.